Introduction for the preview. Weekly horoscope preview for 1st November till 7th November. Who needs the full content of weekly horoscope? All those people who have important meetings, events, dates in this coming week, where you are making important decisions and choices. And those meetings are important for you in this coming week. And you got to know in this coming week, may I say that in preview, we share only one part. Conclusion part 1. Out of the 6 part of the whole, the premium content. And premium content have a 6 part like a transit. Transit will define you the environment of the week. That is transit. Conclusion part 1, part 2 will define your actions and conduct and your mannerism, action and reactions. Task for the premium content define you how to balance the astrological equation. Precaution will define you how to defend yourself. Chanting, how you can create a huge boost by yourself. These are the all content of the premium content, which you can achieve it through my website. Visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Go for the full weekly horoscope report, the premium content. Implement, because this is the applied weekly horoscope report. This is not a only prediction. This will define you. This is the environment. These will be your action reactions, and this is the scope. This is the chance you can change the equation if you want to, with the help of this task, with the help of this chanting, with the help of this, may I say that, precautions. You can implement it. This is a pure applied weekly horoscope report, but all depend on your choice. Capricorn, weekly brief forecast. Week commencing 1st November till 7th November. This is a coming week for you, Capricorn. Capricorn, in this coming week, Ketu's position in 11th house. Watch your income resources, financial opportunities. Rahu's position in 5th house. Watch your action, reaction, and your decision choices, and your, may I say, your conduct and dealing. Please. Saturn, Jupiter in 1st house. Refrain from being lazy. Try not to adopt any layback or lazy attitude. You have to act to react, please. And you got to need to motivate yourself for the best. Venus position in 12th house. Watch your expenditure. Beware of theft, beware of deception and cheating and fraud. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, define your moon transit effect, that will define you, your vision, your imagination, decision choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report will define you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement to save yourself. What sacred chanting you can do in next 7 days in the form of a discipline to come out from any ugly situation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.